when you eat, when you breathe, when you sleep. It never goes away, no. That's why you gotta learn the way to be a pro. First we gotta get the basics. 1 mole equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23, also called Avogadro's number. There's also some people we should know, like J.J. Thomson, Rutherford and Millikan. Thomson found electrons by using his cathode rays. Rutherford showed us what atoms do by passing them through gold foil. He showed us their nuclear nature, and chemistry was never the same. Last but definitely not least, there's Millikan. He determined the charge of an electron. Now that we know how it started, we can dig deeper into what chemistry really is.
Chemistry is everywhere, it's all around you. No matter where you look, it'll be here. For example, the molecules that make up your spoons and forks and knives are usually made up of more than one metal, which makes them alloys. Each molecule is held together through metallic bonds. These intermolecular forces form a sea of electrons, which is why your silverware is shiny and bendy. Not only metallic, but ionic and covalent. Metal plus non-metal, then to non-metal. All of these bonds hold together your molecules. The ice in your cup is just water, but the particles are real rigid and close together. The particles in the water that you drink are less together. This means they slide past each other. And finally, water vapor, like the type you see in the shower, are completely free and have total disorder, and all of this is not because of intra, but intermolecular forces. Now that we know the periodic table, full of elements, like salt we put on bagels, but think about the elements that make up air. You can't see them, but they're definitely there. These are called gases at 1 atm. At 25 degrees Celsius, these elements, they normally take the volume and shape of their containers, and they're the most compressible state of matter. They have much lower densities than liquids and solids, and knowing this will increase your knowledge, I promise. There's also a few gas laws that you should know, like Charles Boyle's Gay-Lussac and Avogadro, but all of these are built into the ideal equation. PV equals nRT. Welcome to Chem Nation. If you know these and how to find molecular mass, you have no problem passing your chem class. We can't forget about kinetic molecular theory. I know, the name makes it sound rather dreary. Honestly, you don't really need to know it at all. Just know how it affects the different gas laws. Increasing volume at a constant temperature, more collision decreases and pressure goes down, and increasing temperature at a constant volume, collisions increase and pressure goes up, and you know now that chemistry is in the air, even though you probably still don't care. Chemistry is everywhere, just look around you. You know who knows us well? It's you, Drew!
We love you, Mr. Melbs, that's for sure. Even though you make our grades hurt, sir. It's just because we love you so much. Here's a few jokes. Now listen up.
What's HIJKLMNO?
H2O!
Call your elbow.
Mr. Melbs!
Our class average is always so low, but
That doesn't mean that we have bad flow.
Love you, Melbs!
Chemistry is 6.022 times 10 to the 23. 6.022 times 10 to the 23.
No, wait!
We can dip deeper back with chemistry.
Finally, water vapor is type you see in the shower.
Now that we know. Making sure everybody knows their 5-pound weights. Now we all know the period. If you know that and how to find molar mass, they have much lower densities than liquids and like Charles Boyle's Gay-Lussac and Avogadro.